Hello, everyone. I thought I would record a video explaining the process on how to order fruit so that it would be really easy and you could go through it again if you need to. I also wanted to say thank you for kickstarting a great fundraiser already and for supporting the grads of 2024. This has been a great fundraiser for us for years now, and so we're so happy that we could do it again this year. And hopefully it's our only one if we do a good job of it. So first things first, I'll give you a handout that has all the passwords and everything like that, so don't feel like you have to record them right now. But when you're going to place your order, you guys are going to do this online now. So it is at freshforward.ca is the site, and it looks like this. And we go here to start our order. So first things first, I was logged in a little bit earlier. So first you're gonna get a menu like this, and we'll see if there logs us out because I was already logged in. You'll get a menu like this. So it says customer ID, and our ID is EHHS, and the password is KT2VR4MY, and we're gonna hit submit. So this basically makes you a customer of like EHS, so all of the results get tabulated so that our fundraiser can get paid out. So our date that we're going to be receiving most of our product is between November 6th and 11th. And here we go. This is all of our items for our fruit fundraiser. So it's not just fruit. We added a few other things this year, so including sausage and bacon, also vegetable packs. A few people were wondering, because it's not really clear, it's definitely not correct on your order form. It's not 1 pound. It ends up being about 5 pounds of potatoes, 2 pounds of carrots, 2 pounds of onions for this pack, but our portion paid out is 50% for the vegetables on this one, so that's a good return. That's a good return. And the second vegetable pack was almost 20 pounds of veggies there. But for everything, it kind of tells you what you're getting, all of the nutritional facts, and then the portion that goes to the fundraiser. So on all of those items, they will let you know those details. But what we're going to do is we're going to just kind of place a fake order. Say we want, 2 bags of these, 2 bags here, 2 bags. If it's a larger order, like 10 items of something, it might ask you, are you sure you want that many items? So there's just double checking our numbers here. And then we're going to go to view our shopping cart. What you're going to basically do is on the order form that was given, you are going to tabulate all of your results. So you will be responsible for making sure that everything is correct on your order forms and that you have all the right amounts for all the right people. And then you're going to plug them into that menu, the numbers, and then here is going to be your shopping cart with your total. So we're going to check out our shopping cart once we've confirmed that all of those numbers are correct. And this is where you are going to pay with a credit card on this site instead of handing in a check or cash into the office. So you will keep all of your sheets. You don't need to hand those into the office or into us. We are just going to get your order for your family because it's going to be in your first name and last name, so we'll know who has ordered. And you're going to put in your credit card information and your credit card number, and you're going to then place your order. I don't think you need to, there's no invoicing instructions, there's no PO or anything like that. It will have to be paid with your credit card unless you are unable or your credit limit is not as high as the orders that you have placed. Then please do contact the school and we will make arrangements to make sure that your orders do get placed and that you get your fruit to all of your people. So if you are concerned about that, or please let us know, or maybe you have to do a couple different orders with a couple different payments and stuff like that. That could be a possibility as well for you. But let us know if you have any concerns about that at the office or at the school, and we'd be happy to help you. Once it's done, approve your order, and then, yeah, your fruit will be here very, very shortly. Thank you all so much for watching, and if you have any questions, please let me know.